In this video, we'll be learning how to do a single crochet in the second chain from hook. I have already created 5 chains. The most recent chain you made, and that is the closest to your hook, is considered the first chain from the hook. The second chain from hook is the one beside the first chain. So once again, counting away from the hook, the first chain is the one closest to the hook. The second chain is the one beside the first chain. The third chain is the one beside the second chain. The fourth chain is the one beside the third chain. And the fifth chain is the one beside the fourth chain, which is also the last chain in this example. Now that you know where the second chain from the hook is located, create a single crochet in that chain. This is how a single crochet in the second chain from hook looks like. You can also create a half double crochet or double crochet in the second chain from hook, if that's what your pattern requires you to do. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching how to single crochet in the second chain from hook.